Go step back and look at it straight. Doesn't it look good?
Yeah.
I mean,
right in there.
just right in there.
Right up in there.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you guys all have made it back. Today is a big day. At least in my playbook it is. Today is today is February something. Yeah, today is February 2nd. And we are putting the LSA Audi back together again. We had to move it outside for a little bit. We had to pull it apart anyways because we have to do a lot of welding. I gotta get these welded up. We gotta put the transmission mount in, drill some holes so we can set the motor in the car again and actually it be in the car. So that's the big goal for today. The second big goal for today is start working on the steering. For me, that's a huge milestone because once we get the steering done, once we get the steering rack all sorted out, we can then turn around and start working on the inside of the car. I feel like we're gonna go get 1.5 inch 095 DOM and we're gonna you'll start seeing a cage come together here very, very soon. I'm gonna safely say in the next couple weeks, you guys will see the cage starting to make shape. This is irrelevant for now. I'll probably use this as a template, but this was my first hoop, and that's when I started looking at things and was like, oh, poo. So there's not a lot of new parts today. I did unfortunately return the headers that we got. The passenger side just wasn't fitting very well. I ordered a set of block huggers. We're gonna try those out, see how well they work. If we like how they fit, if they don't work, well, it is what it is, and we find something else. I don't think there's anything else, guys, so let's just dive right into this and start piecing things together, getting some things cleaned up. All right, guys, guess who showed up finally? Safety Seth is here. I think we got Kyle in here. I like your shirt.
Oh, yeah.
I like it better in red. I have a white one.
Do you?
Yeah. And we're gonna give Seth another big thank you again.
Okay, getting the morning started.
Morning, dude. It's like 11 o'clock.
Well,
It is.
It's almost 12 o'clock. Paul Bunyan in the house. So Seth is bound, set, and determined to punch that firewall, transmission tunnel back a little bit for us because we do need some more clearance there for that T5 transmission, which long-term probably won't stay in the car. No, maybe not. I'm gonna get back to welding. I know he's gonna do some digging. Kyle's gonna sit on his phone. Guys, well, that's our update. Everyone said hi. We're gonna get back to work. Quiet on set!
What?
That's just Whew. Just did a lot of grinding and welding. All right, Seth is out here someplace painting our front cross member. I don't know where he went.
Paint cans suck.
They're like 20 years old, dude. What do you expect? Hey, do you need a turbocharger? Just sitting here,
I noticed that.
dying. That's a downpipe ready to go. This is what's, I think, left of the turboed lawn tractor, Honda tractor.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
All right, well, we got a good chunk.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that.
Just look at it.
Do you see it? It looks so good. I think it looks really, really freaking
Look
good.
at it. Go step back and look at it straight. Doesn't it look good?
Yeah.
I mean,
Right in there.
just right in there.
Right up in there.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby.
All right, so the next part that we're gonna move on to is we're gonna drill the transmission mount, pre-drill it so we can get that in, and then on to the next step. Yeah!
Joe Dirt would say, keep on keeping on.
All right, guys, transmission brackets going back in. I got this all welded in the other day. We drilled some holes finally. I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up drilling into this frame a little bit here, so we're gonna have to do something about this. I'm not sure how we're gonna address it yet.
Get out of the house.
This is why I stay in the house.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
Oh, that's hot!
saying shit yet. You need to keep going.
I have no idea what's in that frame rail.
Ugh.
Did we even go through the frame rail?
No. Nope. You hit the rat's nest.
And it's not like an electric car where it gets full instant power.
I broke it.
You broke the bit?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, let's get something else.
All right, guys, we're back. We got the transmission cross member in. You're gonna laugh. Here they are. Boom, boom. Blame it on that guy.
What? I told you to blame yourself.
And me not being prepared. I should have thought about this. So what the plan here is, where's that bucket? So we're gonna take steel plates like this.
I'd say wider, but yeah.
Yeah, wider. Something in this general idea. And they're gonna lay across there, and then we're gonna get some grade 8 bolts. Carriage bolts. And basically drill 2 holes in these, weld the carriage bolts to them so that they slide down and through there. And then what'll happen is we'll just be able to run nuts on the back side of there and send it, and we're good. It'll be like homemade U-bolts type, more or less. But
Which was what we're both trying to do, too.
hey guys, all right, so I'm sitting here editing. Heater just fired up. But I realized that the last 4 hours of the day, all the footage is corrupt, so I do apologize. I'm not able to show you guys that. You don't get to see us bolt the blower on, test fit the blower. You don't get to see us shake down the motor and do a shake test on the engine and see how the whole car like freaking shakes. It's ridiculous. You don't get to see any of that, but it is what it is. I apologize. I'll figure out what happened and I'll make sure to fix it for next time. Like always, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.